So we're here now in Half Moon Bay. We're about to see Ray demo this ultimate biplane. This is a Carl Goldberg model, rare, never, quite rarely seen these days because it's a vintage kit and it's a high performance kit. It's powered by a 4-stroke 1.5 cc version engine. This engine is much more than what is required for this aircraft. In fact, it has a very deep low throw, and once we get the wings on the aircraft, you'll have a chance to hear the low growl of this engine. It's quite impressive. And so stand by, we're about to show you more.
Receiver power
on. Check.
Throttle up.
Prime.
Throttle up. Ignition. Contact. Start.
Clear prop.
Hey, psst, watch the prop. Whoa.
Crack throttle. Get away from the front.
Slow pull.
Antenna. Idle. Give me transmitter.
Yeah, man.